What's up, guys? So today, okay, so today we're gonna be burping in people's ears. You want to hear a funny joke?
Go for it.
Hey, so you want to hear a funny joke? It's a really good joke.
What is it?
Joke.
Oh, okay.
Was it funny, man?
No.
And say that joke was funny.
No, it wasn't funny though.
But just say it for the camera.
It was funny.
So, my good friend here, Corey, he's disabled, mentally and physically. He's really funny. You got a camera here?
Okay.
Right? Okay.
See?
Bye.
Was that Riz?
No.
Yo, what's up, man? Yo, you want to hear a funny joke?
No, not right now, bro. Sorry.
Alright, so apparently we're getting kicked out now.
Shit's dumb.
So,
Okay, sir.
nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
You sure about that?
Yeah, I'm just stealing.
You sure? Oh, you stealing?
Yeah, I'm stealing.
Why are you stealing, huh?
Huh?
You can just come in here and just take?
Yeah.
Sir, please get out of my store.
Can I steal your heart?
Nope.
Can I steal your heart?
No. Nuh-uh.
Can I
See?
steal your heart?
Sir, please give
Can I
me that
steal
in my
your-
face. No cameras. No cameras,
I'm
please.
gonna harass you,
No,
sir.
I don't
Zoom in
do
on his
that.
face.
I will
Zoom in on
call
his face.
the
Zoom in
police.
on-
You know what? I'm calling the police.
Zoom in on his face. Zoom in on his face.
I'm calling the police. See?
Zoom in on his face.
Security!
So, guys, today,
There's a worker right there. There's a worker. There was a worker all the way over
is there a
there.
worker? This is my first video in like a long time. So, hope you guys enjoy and
Like and subscribe.
we'll see you in the next video.